Hi everyone, here's another segment of how to make our jelly roll rug. I have these pieces. This is a set. It comes from Clover. It is called a jelly roll tube maker, and I'm going to use this. I'm going to use my pre-made batting roll that we made. I'm going to use the fabric, and I'm going to happen to use this purple one. The fabric that we cut and prepped. So we have all that together. And I'm going to show you how I did this. So I'm going to take I'm going to actually move this so you can maybe see clearly everything. All right. So I'm going to take my fabric and I'm going to take my my batting roll. And I have my fabric where the right side is down and my roll goes on top of the wrong side, just like that. You see that? Now you can do this if you don't have this. You can just come here and you could kind of like fold it in half, fold it in half again. You know, you could take an iron to this and iron, but you could just kind of eyeball it, fold it, and fold it. And you can use clips, something like this. Let me show you. You know, and clip along. You can do this, right? And you're going to clip along and then run it through your machine. Or you can buy this. These, I think they're about $20, honestly, these. And you, so you run this through. See, you take that. I kind of help it by giving a V like that. And then, oops. You don't have to. You'll find your method. And you just push it through. And you see it starts going through. And then when you have it pushed through, you take this piece here. See that? You've got it like that. You're going to take this piece here and tuck it right in. And it snaps right in. And you see, it'll make the tape. Once you have the tape in there, right, makes this beautiful tape here, you're going to take this and fold this in half. And again, you're going to run that right through in there. See, just like that. You're going to take this top piece and you're going to layer that right in. And look what happens. You have perfect. And then you could just start right here. So it's a little, you know, awkward. I have my fabric here and I have this here like that. You can maybe have some kind of holder here to hold this if you like. I just don't have that. So I just kind of work with it. I will come in and I will start. If you have a walking foot, that would be great. You can use any kind of stitch right here. You can use a decorative stitch, or you can use a straight stitch, wavy stitch, whatever kind of stitch you want. But basically we're stitching this. So we're going to go a little, back tack, and then we're just going to run it again. Now I'm not going to be doing a lot of talking because I want you to just see the method. So I pull this, and then I pull this one, and I hold. Right now, I'm just using a regular straight stitch machine. This is more of like I guess what you'd say more of an industrial type, so I don't have a walking foot on this. And pull, and all you're doing is just making sure it stays in half and feeding it through. And then I come in here, roll this and roll this. I hope you can see well. And you just kind of fix everything. See, it makes a nice, and then this makes the fold. Again, now this rug, I use all my scraps. So I use my scraps from my batting. I use scraps from my fabric scrap pile. So really, to me, this is like making a free quilt because it's everything that is left over from another project. And you don't have to go this long. I do. I'm gonna do a little bit more and then I'm gonna show you what I have and end the video. I'm sure you don't want to see me do this. I'm happy to sit here and sew all day. So when you're done, you have this wonderful beginnings of a rug. All right, I hope this helps everyone. I will see you on another segment of my adventure on my jelly roll rug. I hope everyone has a wonderful day. Take care of yourself, pass it forward, and if you like what you see, please like, subscribe, and share my channel. Have a great day. Bye.